Hello everyone, just wanted to give you an update on the wall. It is now completely gone, really opened up the area nicely. Taking down the wall only took about an hour and a half. The electrical work was a little bit more difficult, but I'll get to that here in a second. Just finished up some spackling. All in all turned out pretty nice and wasn't too difficult. So as for the electrical, it was in the middle of the wall. It came out through the ceiling, somewhere right around there, went down to the middle of the wall. So I tried to figure out how I was going to do it. There is a horizontal piece of wood right here that goes straight across. So I couldn't just take it straight down through the ceiling. I had to come out and around, because I couldn't find out an easy way to get down in there and drill a hole through that horizontal piece of wood. So I'm coming out around it, going back down through the wall, and then I pulled it on through. The electrical outlet, or the switches, are a little high up on the wall, only because they didn't give much slack when they built the house, because they're attached to this light switch over here. But that's okay, it's not that big of a deal. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pull these back up through the ceiling just a little bit. But I'm going to put a piece of wood about this far, and then I'm going to put a piece of wood about, coming off about that far, which will go straight up to the ceiling, and then it'll pretty much encase that. Then I'll go through and I'll either sheetrock, or I might just make the pieces of wood thick enough that they, just line up with that. But for this coming weekend, I'm planning on taking up the carpet, and we'll see what that has in store for us. So we'll keep you updated.